Seasonal cycles and economic swings directly change how many leads a concrete company gets and when those leads arrive. Concrete contracting demand peaks in warm months and slows in cold and wet seasons, so plan cash flow by forecasting monthly revenue based on historical jobs and local climate patterns. Diversify lead sources by combining direct outreach, repeat client programs, trade partnerships, and online listings, so a drop in one channel does not stall your business. Build year-round relationships by scheduling maintenance, repairs, and preparatory consultations during slow periods, and keep past clients engaged with simple check-ins and helpful seasonal advice. Adjust marketing and service offerings to match demand by promoting winter projects like indoor concrete work, concrete sealing, or stamped overlays when exterior pours decline. Price and scope flexibility help capture smaller, off-season projects, offer bundled inspections and repairs, or phased project plans to make work more accessible for cash-constrained customers. Track conversion rates and cost per lead by channel month to month, so you can reallocate budget quickly when the economy softens or a channel underperforms. 3 common mistakes are relying too much on spring and summer new construction leads, underestimating off-season cash burn, and ignoring changing buyer behavior during economic downturns. If you depend on seasonal new construction, you will see big revenue swings, so expand into maintenance, repair, and commercial slab renewals to smooth demand. Underestimating off-season expenses leads to panic pricing or missed payroll, so create a reserve equal to at least 3 months of fixed costs and run conservative cash flow models each quarter. Ignoring buyer sensitivity during slow economies causes lost bids and low close rates, so offer financing options, phased work, or value-focused proposals that emphasize longevity and lower lifecycle costs. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors around projects like concrete work and helps us find clients and showcase services. We host a discussion community where homeowners and contractors exchange advice, post experiences, and coordinate local work opportunities.